Wow, something you didn't know about French calls. The only thing you're going to do, just wow. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone who is watching us right now. Uh, Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for following us ever since we started our channel. And today we're going to be plating on how to do the French coils. I've been doing this for a while, and if you try to check all my previous videos, I've been showing you more steps on how to do the French coils. And number one, I told you that when you're doing the French coils, always the cornrows is supposed to be puff, and this is how we're trying to do it. And please, another thing that you should not forget, that whenever you're plating the cornrows, let them be a bit packed. Yes, small and packed. This is why I told you, like, whenever you're trying to do crochets, make sure that the cornrows that you do are equivalent to that crochet that you're going to be plating. You understand? So you can't plait a small crochet and you do a big corner. So you should always be careful when it comes to cornrows plus the crochet. So if the crochet is big, then the cornrows are supposed to be big. So here it is. We're going to be plating the French coils. The French coils. This is the best crochets always, because the maintaining is not, it's just how to maintain it. You can just maintain it, it's easy. The maintenance is easy, so you just have to get the water, you mix it with oil so that you can maintain it very well. So that one, you always do it every morning when you're trying to style it. And trust me, this crochet is very nice. It is soft, it can last longer. And at times there are those people that have been coming back, maybe they were trying, like, they were not looking, they're not trying to give it that care. They'll leave it to dry, and when it dries, it can look badly. And when they come back to me, the only thing I just do, I try to keep on spraying every part of it, and you find it coming back to its normal look. So that's why I can say that French coils, it's a very nice crochet. And this one can be done to all hair types as usual. Yes, so on this one we are going to focus on how to lock. Yes, the locking of French coils is different from these other lockings, because we've been doing crochets, but we just lock it once. But I'm going to show you the good way on how you can lock the French coils, and trust me, you'll see it very easy. Yes, you will see it very easy, and you can try it out. So we are still in the lockdown, we are home, and that's why you're seeing all the tutorials. I'm doing it from home, and we just pray that everything goes back to the normal. We shall be seeing it, doing it from the salon again. And now this is how I'm doing it, because I promise that I'll be giving you our tutorials every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so that we keep on learning all these kinds of hairstyles. So our swirls, our cornrows are done, and another thing that we're going to do, let's crochet after putting the anti-itchy oil. Now we're going to crochet. So here I want you to look very try to observe very careful so that you see this locking. It is different from the way we've been locking, so it's once and twice. You see, it is very tight, can't come out. Just once and twice. Let me try to be slow here because for me I'm used to being speedy, so let me try to be slow here. You can try to see how I'm doing it. It's just one and twice, once and twice, just like that. So it can't come out, trust me, it can't come out at all. So this is the way that you can crochet this. So look here, just once and twice, you see, just like that, trust me. So when you keep on doing that and it's done, let's try to do our baby hair as usual. Our baby hair, we just do it with our gel, or you can use the Mars. Yeah, the molding Mars, that one's also nice. Yes. So after doing it, since we are home, she had a birthday party, and I'm just going to try to do something very simple for her. She liked the hair already. Because it is very soft and nice. Trust me, you can love it too. So the only thing you can do, just subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you keep on learning more things, that everything that concerning about crochet and other hairstyles that I've been showing you. So let's look at this one and see how amazing it looks. I'm by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master, and for me, I sign out. So see how the finishing is going to look myself.
Joanne and I'm from Plating French Coils from Hair Zipper. Yeah, and it's the quarantine look and I'm so happy and so excited because I look lovely, don't I?